Welcome to Math Flashcards, Subtraction, 1st and 2nd grades. My name is Philip King. I am going to show you some math problems involving subtraction. Your job is to shout out the answer before the clock stops ticking. When the clock stops ticking, I will tell you the answer. Are you ready? Okay, let us begin. 5 minus 2 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. 8 minus 1 equals 8 minus 1 equals 7. 6 minus 4 equals 6 minus 4 equals 2. 9 minus 5 equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 5 minus 4 equals 1. 9 minus 2 equals 9 minus 2 equals 7. 10 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2 equals 8. 9 minus 6 equals 9 minus 6 equals 3. 8 minus 5 equals 8 minus 5 equals 3. 7 minus 4 equals 7 minus 4 equals 3. 4 minus 4 equals 4 minus 4 equals 0. 10 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2 equals 8. 9 minus 0 equals 9 minus 0 equals 9. 6 minus 3 equals 6 minus 3 equals 3. 9 minus 7 equals 9 minus 7 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. 9 minus 4 equals 9, minus 4, equals, 5. 6, minus 3, equals. 6, minus 3, equals, 3. 8, minus 3, equals. 8, minus 3, equals, 5. 11, minus 4, equals. 11, minus 4, equals, 7. 11, minus 3, equals. 11 minus 3, equals, 8. 11, minus 2, equals. 11, minus 2, equals, 9. 10, minus 3, equals. 10, minus 3, equals, 7. 10, minus 2, equals. 10, minus 2, equals, 8. 7, minus 3, equals. 7, minus 3, equals, 4. 12, minus 4, equals. 12, minus 4, equals, 8. 12, minus 2, equals. 12, minus 2, equals, 10. 12, minus 8, equals. 12, minus 8, equals, 4. 12, minus 1, equals. 12, minus 1, equals, 11. 6, minus 5, equals. 6, minus 5, equals, 1. 11, minus 5, equals. 11, minus 5, equals, 6. 9, minus 2, equals. 9, minus 2, equals, 7. 11, minus 9, equals. 11, minus 9, equals, 2. 10, minus 5, equals. 10, minus 5, equals, 5. 4, minus 4, equals. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Well, that's it for this lesson. How did you do? I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. If you are interested in WordPress and starting your own business, then you should also check out the King Solutions website. The link is below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.